Hello everyone, my name is Manjot and today in this video we are going to study and learn three very important formulas of work which are very important and अगर ये फॉर्मूला आते हैं तो आपको वर्क के सम बहुत ही इजीली सॉल्व हो जाएंगे। तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं। See now, let's first note down all three formulas. तो मैं आपके लिए यहाँ पे तीनों formulas लिख देता हूँ। First formula is very simple, W is equal to Fs. Second formula is W is equal to Fs cos theta, and third formula is W is equal to mgh. Over here we all know that F means force, S means displacement, theta means the angle which is made by force and the direction of the force, m is mass, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h is height at which the object is kept. And we all know that W is work. So let's begin. Now here, remember student, this second formula is the hero of the story. इस second formula से तीनों भी formulas आते हैं. So let's first understand the second formula. अब देखो second formula हम कहाँ use करते हैं? See, observe here. If there is an inclined plane, we all know what is an inclined plane is. So there is a surface and with some angle, let's call this angle as theta, there is an inclined plane, and on this inclined plane if I kept a box and I apply a force and this box moves at distance of s, so we say that work is done. Now here we need to calculate the formula for work, that is W is equal to Fs cos theta. Now observe here if you observe there is work done, and for the first case, if you observe for the first case, the plane or the surface is straight and the box is kept. Again, if you apply a force, this box moves at displacement of s and force F is applied. So this box moves, so we say that work is performed. Now observe here in these two cases, what is the only difference? The only difference is here there is no angle because the surface is straight, and here there is an inclined plane. So inclined plane, here it is inclined plane and here is an angle which is made. Now observe here, if you observe these two cases, for the first case when the plane is straight or the surface there is no angle formed, we use the first formula W is equal to Fs. And for the second case when there is an theta, so whenever you observe theta, we use W is equal to Fs cos theta. So remember, whenever we have theta, we use second formula, and whenever we do not have theta or we have straight surface, we use W is equal to Fs. Now observe here, for this second formula, you need to remember three cases, or you can say the three values of theta. So here the first value for theta is equal to 0 degrees. Second value for theta is equal to 90 degrees, and third value for theta is equal to 180 degrees. So you need to remember these three cases. So what are these three cases? We'll continue in next video. For now, just remember that when theta is equal to 0, let's solve this. See, if you observe here, W is equal to Fs cos theta, and value for theta is 0. So I substitute over here cos 0, and we all know cos 0 is 1. So it will be Fs into 1. So Fs into 1 will be Fs. So W is equal to Fs. So you can observe that this is the first formula that is derived from the second formula. So remember here the second formula, that is theta wala, is the hero, main thing in this entire thing, and also we can derive the first formula for the second from the second formula, that is whenever theta is 0 the surface is straight, and we use the first formula. I hope everyone is clear till here. There are two more cases. What happens when theta is 90 and what happens when theta is 180? That will continue in a coming video, that is next video. But for now I will also give you some idea about this third formula. The third formula says W is equal to mgh. अब ये कब होता है? See, observe here, this formula is always used whenever, so it is towards gravity or it is against the gravity, we use this formula. See, observe here, I have kept one ball over here. Let's consider mass of this as m, and this ball is pulled toward downwards due to gravity and it is kept at height h. So if you observe over here, only there are three factors which are involving work. that is mass, acceleration due to gravity, and height. See, we all know the first formula was W is equal to Fs, and we know that force is mg. So instead of force I am writing mg, and over here displacement is h. So instead of s I am writing h. So we get W is equal to mgh. So again this formula came from first formula with help of first formula, and first formula came from the help of second formula. So here the second formula was the hero. So remember three very important formula. First, W is equal to Fs. Second, W is equal to Fs cos theta, and third, W is equal to mgh. अब इसमें सेकेंड केस में थीटा जब 90 और 180 होते हैं, उस केस में क्या होता है, थीटा के तीन वैल्यूज से कैसे रिलेशन बनता है, ये अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो मेक श्योर दैट बिफोर गोइंग यू सब्सक्राइब, एंड विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. गुड बाय, टेक केयर, सी या.